Okay, so here I am going to show you via some sketches how the Korean water dropper actually works and how it functions as a hidden teapot. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch a Korean water dropper, and in this sketch I'm just making a simple teapot. But I'm going to sketch it upside down. So this is just a generic teapot shape, but without a lid, so it's enclosed. So this is upside down. You can see I have a hole in the bottom of the piece, so that would be the part that's touching the table. I'm drawing the tube, which is inside of the hollow form. And you can see that the tube does not touch the ceiling of the piece, so there's a gap right here. That is key. The blue marker is going to indicate water, so you fill these upside down, holding them underneath a sink. The water flows through the tube and it comes out of the tube and starts to fill the inside of your Korean water dropper. So I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to draw it right side up. Same form, simple teapot but without a lid, so it's enclosed. There's my hole in my tube, my spout, and my little handle. So this is after we have filled it. So once you fill it up, you'll flip it so it's upright, and you're going to see that the water level is lower than the tube is high. So the tube blocks the water from coming back down the hole that's in the bottom of the piece. At this point, your piece can sit on a table and it can just hold water until you're ready to use it, or whatever liquid you want to put inside of it. I'm now going to draw this same teapot shape, but tilted, to show what it would look like if you're actually pouring the liquid out. So as you tilt your Korean water dropper towards the spout, the water will move in the direction of the spout and pour out. And if your tube is high enough, it should not come out of the tube. So now I'm going to do a sketch of a Korean water dropper that's more sculptural. So I created a robin. This is my piece. There's the spout. There's the hole on the bottom. So I'm going to do a quick rough sketch of him. And I will start with him being upside down. Okay, so there's my beautiful bird drawing, and there's my spout, and the head is open into the body, so this is a hollow form. There's my hole at the bottom of my bird. Here's my tube, so I'm going to move the wing over so you can actually like envision what this looks like on the inside. There's my tube. So I would again fill him by holding him upside down underneath a faucet. The water moves through the tube and starts to fill the body cavity. So if I draw him right side up, give him his little tail, add his little wing. This is after I have filled him. So again, I'll draw my hole and I'll draw my tube so you can see what it looks like on the inside. And then I will draw my water level, which is lower than the tube. And again, that's what blocks the water from coming out of the bottom of the piece. So that's what he looks like when he's just sitting on the table waiting to be used. And so for this last sketch, I'll draw my robin tilted as if someone were pouring him, just to show the water flow moving through and out of the spout. The water level stays below the height of the tube, and as I tilt, the water will come out of the mouth of my bird. So I have a few water droppers that I'm actually going to show you. So we'll pretend that I'm filling him through the hole, and right now the water is moving through the tube. I can flip him over, and he holds water, and then I can tilt him, and the water pours out. And when I don't tilt, it holds the water inside. And then I have a second example that, again, I fill through the hole in the bottom. The water moves through the tube and fills the body cavity. I flip it over and it holds water inside, although this one leaks a little bit because I dropped him. There you go.